LGBT designers from an institution kung saan very willing kid. I am very proud to say nga ang launching events ng LGBT no luwas na support ang ginahatag sa gobyerno are supported and help get sa mga people from the private institutions. So, makita na ito, umpisan na so may makapagita budget kakatigayon gid kay because it's a collective effort. Tanan very much willing get to extend their help.
So, you said earlier that you are growing by numbers. So, do you have a specific numbers kung kilatan na ang members sa LGBT dito sa Lido City?
For the Pride Network, we are a total of 3,500 recorded na. So, ang mukha lang na siya ang na-profile din namin sa office. Pero we're doing more efforts kay may mga ibang barangay na wala pa kasabit sa ilang profile. So, largely na, yes. It's composed of 152 ka mga active residents. Active po sila nga kasubmit kini sila documents kasubmit ni sila sa data nila sa amon. So may agad naman sa iba nga barangay nga kasubmit man kaso galing medyo hindi pa sila active. So medyo kinahanglan i-encourage more for this.
Some of these 28 lacking barangays are very, very tiny barangays. So sometimes, they just opt to join the bigger barangay, go punta lang sila in all. Pero mo pa nang make sure na muna at least each barangay na may representation. And excluding para na mga babies namon. Wala na mga profile ang mga minor. Pero wala na mga kadamo agad sa ila. Kaya ito, ang visibility nila, aragit, so nakita man na natin that the people, di maguro kita sis no, the older generation LGBT have paved the way for these young people to be more confident in coming out.
Okay, so